Welcome to the Mandarin Oriental Bangkok, a prestigious five-star hotel nestled in the heart of Bangkok, Thailand. With its rich history dating back to 1876, this iconic hotel offers a luxurious and elegant retreat for discerning travelers. From its prime location, just half a kilometer from the city center, to its impeccable service and world-class amenities. Upon arrival, guests are greeted by the hotel's timeless charm and grandeur. The hotel's convenient proximity to the city center ensures that guests are just steps away from vibrant markets, cultural landmarks, and exciting nightlife. For those arriving by air, the hotel is just a 45-minute drive from the airport, making it easily accessible for both domestic and international travelers. Mandarin Oriental Bangkok boasts a total of 331 beautifully appointed rooms, each excluding a perfect blend of modern comfort and traditional Thai elegance. Whether you choose a spacious suite or a deluxe room, you can expect nothing less than the utmost luxury and sophistication. With its meticulous attention to detail and world-class amenities, the hotel ensures that every guest stay is nothing short of extraordinary. The hotel's dedicated staff is committed to providing a warm and welcoming environment for guests of all ages, ensuring that every member of the family feels right at home. Mandarin Oriental Bangkok promises an unforgettable experience filled with luxury, elegance, and impeccable service. At the Mandarin Oriental Bangkok, guests can indulge in a wide range of entertainment facilities that are designed to provide the ultimate relaxation and enjoyment. From the moment you step into the hotel, you will be captivated by the luxurious shops, where you can browse and shop for exquisite souvenirs. For those looking to unwind and socialize, the hotel offers a stylish bar where you can sip on expertly crafted cocktails while enjoying the vibrant ambience. Additionally, there's a salon where guests can pamper themselves with professional hair and beauty treatments. At the Mandarin Oriental Bangkok, guests are treated to a culinary journey like no other. With a variety of dining facilities available, you are spoiled for choice during your stay. Start your day with a delectable breakfast buffet, offering a wide range of options to suit every palate. From freshly baked pastries to made-to-order omelets, you will find everything you need to kickstart your day on a delicious note. When it comes to fine dining, Mandarin Oriental Bangkok boasts a renowned restaurant that offers an exquisite culinary experience. Indulge in a symphony of flavors as you savor the masterfully created dishes prepared by talented chefs. From traditional Thai dishes to international favorites, each dish is a work of art that will delight your taste buds. To top it all off, the hotel provides 24-hour room service, ensuring you enjoy a gourmet meal in the comfort of your own room. According to Agoda, this hotel has an overall rating of 9.2 out of 10, which is pretty amazing, and more than 13,000 reviews. The price range, however, starting price is just under $1,000 per night, and it goes up to well over $3,000 a night. Some rooms come with a minimum of a 3-night booking, and breakfast is not included in that price. Sadly, this amazing hotel is well outside of my price range, but it is luxury like no other. It was recently voted the best hotel in the world. So if you'd like to treat me to a weekend in Bangkok, we should stay here. I think we both would like it. A link to Agoda is in the video description if you want to get more information or just check out the amazing prices.